Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart your Ford Escape. First, prioritize safety by gathering essential gear such as gloves and eye protection. Make sure both vehicles are in park or neutral with their engines off. Turn off all lights, radios, and other accessories in both cars. Finally, position the vehicles close enough for the cables to reach, but ensure they are not touching. Next, let's connect the positive cables. Find the positive terminal on your Ford Escape's dead battery. It's usually marked with a plus sign and covered by a red cap. Securely attach one red jumper cable clamp to this positive terminal. Then, connect the other end of the red cable to the positive terminal of the working battery. Always ensure these connections are firm and clean. Now for the negative connections. Take one black jumper cable clamp and attach it to the negative terminal of the good battery. For the other black clamp, find a sturdy, unpainted metal part on your Ford Escape's engine block or chassis, away from any moving parts. This creates a safe ground connection. Double-check all 4 cable connections to ensure they are secure. With all cables connected, start the engine of the good vehicle and let it run for about 5 minutes. Then, try to start your Ford Escape. Once it starts, carefully disconnect the cables in the reverse order of connection. First the black from the engine block, then the black from the good battery, followed by the red from the good battery, and finally the red from your Escape. Drive for at least 20 minutes to recharge.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.